Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to install VLC Media Player on a Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. On Chromebook, there are two ways by which you can install VLC Media Player. One is using Google Play Store and another one is using Linux Terminal. So we have already made a video on how you can install Android version of VLC Media Player and how you can install Linux version of VLC Media Player. I'll provide the video link in the description box, or you will get the video link in the I button. However, here in this video, we'll discuss how we can install it. For that, simply click on App Launcher icon. Here look for VLC application. So this is the Android version of VLC Media Player, and inside Linux apps folder, you will get Linux version of VLC Media Player. To install it, you can simply right click on the icon, then click on install. And here you have to confirm the installation process by clicking on install button and wait for few minutes. It will get installed. Similarly, you can also install Linux version of VLC Media Player. Right click on it, then click on install. However, there is also another method to install Linux version of VLC Media Player. For that, open Terminal application. Click on Penguin option to get access to the Linux terminal, and here simply run this command: sudo apt remove vlc space -y, then hit enter key and wait for the installation process to complete. Then close the window and you can confirm it by clicking on App Launcher icon. Here you will not get the VLC application. So that's it. This is how you can install VLC Media Player on a Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.